Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to check location history on Google Maps. So let's start this video. Open your Google Maps application. Now click on search here, and over here you can see all the searches that you have made. You can click on more from recent history, so you can see all the searches that you made on the search bar. Now it doesn't mean that you have been to these places. So another way to check location history is to just go back again, and over here click on your profile on the top right corner. Now click on your timeline. To use this feature, make sure that your location history is turned on so you can use this feature. So basically it's my new account, so I haven't been to any places from this account, so it will show you location history on this account too. And you can select the dates or months or any other year you want to. So this is how you check location history on Google Maps. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.